Hi, everybody. It's Monica with American English with Monica. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for studying English with me. This week's phrasal verbs, straighten out and straighten up, were a request from you. So thank you so much. When you type things in the comments like examples or questions or requests, it's awesome. And I love these two phrasal verbs, and they are good to know. They're somewhat similar a little bit, but they have two different meanings. So let's get started. The first meaning I want to share with you for straighten out. Straighten out. And before I start, the word straighten is the act of making something straight, right? You have to adjust something or move something or align something to make it straight. The first meaning is to resolve a problem, to clarify some confusion. Maybe there has been some miscommunication at your office about a report or a deadline or a product price, and the client has some questions and you have to straighten it out. So to clarify confusion, to clarify, to resolve, maybe it just needs a big discussion to try to figure out what went wrong. And you can separate it. We need to straighten this problem out. We need to straighten it out. Or we need to straighten out this problem. Yeah, so if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you. But I teach business English, so a lot of my examples will be about the workplace or the office. Okay? So if your boss says there's 3 orders that are missing and you need to straighten it out, that means you need to fix it. You need to work to solve the problem, figure out what went wrong, and make it better. Okay? The second reason why we use this phrasal verb is when we're talking about fixing someone's life. And when I say their life, I mean we use this in the context of a lot of problems. Okay, if it's just a small little issue, we probably wouldn't say they need to straighten out their life. But if someone has a lot of problems, serious problems like with money or a job or a house or an addiction to something, we might say they need to straighten their life out. They need to straighten out all of their problems in their life. Okay? So to fix one's life. So if someone still hasn't straightened out their life, it means they have not fixed it yet. We hope they get help. We hope they do straighten out their life, but right now they still have problems. So those are the 2 main reasons why you will see the phrasal verb straighten out. Straighten up, a little different. Straighten up, the first definition is to tidy. To tidy a space, to organize a space, like we need to straighten up this room before our friends come over. My desk is a little bit messy. I need to straighten it up. We can separate. I need to straighten up my desk or the bookcase or the kitchen. We're talking about space that needs to be tidied and organized. Things need to be moved or aligned to put right. Remember the original meaning of straight, to straighten, to move, adjust, or align so that it's not crooked. Okay? The second reason why we would do you remember the phrasal verb pick up? I did a video a few weeks ago. This definition, to tidy, to organize, is the same as pick up. The pickup video, if you've missed it, go back and watch it. There's like 14 or 15 definitions for that one phrasal verb. I just remembered. So to tidy, to organize, to pick up is the same as straighten up. So the second definition I want to tell you about is when we're telling someone or when someone needs to improve a behavior. Like in the moment, you need to straighten up. You're not doing your homework, you need to start doing your homework. Please straighten up. Or a teacher might be talking to students that are not paying attention, they're not concentrating, they're busy chatting, and the teacher might say, straighten up, it's time to listen and learn. So it's different than resolving a problem about someone's life because it's in the moment that we might just say, straighten up. And it can be separated, right? Straighten him up so that he can focus at school. So to improve a behavior, kind of in the moment. It's something you can fix right now versus straighten out implies it's a more complex problem that needs time to resolve. All right? So I hope this was helpful. This was such a great request. I love these phrasal verbs. And there might be some other meanings out there. I wanted to give you the two most prominent ones. And if you have any suggestions or requests for videos or questions, or if you have examples about phrasal verbs straighten up or straighten out, certainly type them. It's great to read your comments. I really appreciate it. The videos have been received well, and I really am glad that people are subscribing and liking. It encourages me to make more because I'm busy teaching my students every day. I have English students all around the world, but I wanted to make videos so that more people could access hearing a native speaker, right, from America speaking English. I don't teach with a script. Most of you know that by now. I'm very realistic. I make mistakes, and that's okay. When you're learning, when you're speaking, even if you're a native speaker, it's fine. Mistakes happen, and we learn from them. So I'm really glad you're here, and I will see you next week. Bye.